Bye.
It's time for Stephanie and Kristen
Stop.
to move their busy family. I'll talk you through the properties. Well, the first house was an upscale neighborhood house, 2 years old. It had over 3,500 square feet, which is great for your family. It has 4.5 bathrooms. It has huge rooms. The kitchen was massive.
It was gorgeous. I love that house.
It was a little too elegant.
Stop.
Comfortable with just how upscale.
You look fine, Emmy.
No, I don't.
Hard.
Don't you dare put that on YouTube.
Too late.
$5,000. That's $35,000 over your max budget. Comparable houses are selling for that
Too
price
late.
or more, and they're selling fast. So if you want this,
Oh, yeah, let me
price,
see.
get an offering right away. And we should
Too late. It's already on YouTube.
But it's
No, because it took like an hour for you to put that one on it.
It's uploading right now.
Let me see.